Welcome to Odin's Playtime!
Hi everyone, so I'm just in the car and I'm ready to get Odin for a very special surprise. He thinks that we're just filming a normal video, but I'm going to surprise him with something that he's wanted for so long and what I've wanted for all my life. So keep watching and I'm going to pick him up and surprise him. Hi kids, Odin's back from school.
Hi kids, Odin's back from school.
Is there a parrot in here?
Is there a parrot in here?
Getting ready to play What's in the Box.
Yeah.
So Odin's going to find his blindfold first.
Yeah. In the box.
There's nothing in the box yet.
This is carpet.
You're totally right! Actually, it's not carpet, it's a rug. So, got that one wrong.
The same thing.
Take position and I will go and get the surprise.
What? Bobby? What on earth was that? Oh no! Oh, like I just had a lick by Poppy. They're moving. The Poppy!
Really think?
Yeah!
Final answer?
Yeah, they're definitely. It's Poppy! my Poppy! Sorry.
Do you recognize her?
Oh yeah. Oh, that looks like Snoogle.
It is.
Come on, Snook. Shall I lift her up?
You remember how to do it?
Yeah.
No, by her tummy.
By your tummy. Snookle.
What do you think about that, Odin?
Cute! So cute.
Did you expect that?
Yeah!
No, you did not.
I love it.
I know, but did you really think that you were going to get a puppy?
No, but I love it.
I know you do.
Come on, Snuggle. How old is the puppy now?
She's 8 weeks. Do you think
8
she's bigger
weeks?
from the last time you seen her?
Yeah, it's 4 weeks.
You know when we're going to visit her?
Yeah.
She was already ours.
What?
I just wanted it to be a surprise.
She was already ours. Are you sad? There you go. Because she's so cute. There you go. There you go. But no, not back. There you go. There you go, mister. There you go, mister. She's so cute. She's so cutie. So cute. So cute. There you go. Licked on me. She likes me.